Alimony is the way that the court system helps even the playing field between the parties financially on a temporary or final basis to ensure that both parties have what they need in order to pay their bills.
Alimony is probably one of the most contested things in divorce litigation, and there are several factors that the court will look at in determining what that alimony amount will be. Some of those factors include the amount of income the paying spouse earns. Are there children? What are the receiving spouse's expenses? The length of the marriage? Really what the post-divorce expenses will be.
There are many ways that the attorney assisting you can help you come up with a number. Meriwether Tharp actually has an alimony calculator here based on other jurisdictions, which allow us to see what alimony in other jurisdictions are and present that to the court, and it gives us a good average and also a good high and low. So Meriwether Tharp has tools here that other firms do not that allow us to assist somebody with alimony in really presenting the case to the court.